Good morning, ma'am. My name is Athar Kadam from class 10th D, and today I am going to present you my English Art Integrative project. And my topic is famous temples of Maharashtra and Odisha. Famous temple of Maharashtra, Shirdi Temple, located approximately 258 kilometers from Mumbai. Shirdi Sai Baba Temple is one of the most popular temples in Maharashtra. Known for being land of Sai, attracts thousands of devotees every year because of Shirdi Temple. This temple is dedicated to Sai Baba, who is considered to be one of the greatest saints in India. After visiting Shirdi at the age of 16, Sai Baba stayed at the village where he attained Samadhi as well. Spread across 200 square meter, the temple complex today consists of Chavadi, Samadhi Mandir and more. Some more famous temples of Maharashtra are Trimbakeshwar Jyotirlinga, Chintamani Temple and Siddhivinayak Temple. Now, famous temples of Odisha. Sun Temple at Konark, arguably the best known for of the many hundreds of Odisha temples, is called Sun Temple at Konark, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates to 13th century, located just off the Bay of Bengal coast. The structure is unique for its construction. The sweeping complex is modeled at a chariot. Although much of the temple now lies in ruins, what consists is captivating behold. Built from red hulled rocks, the structure is carved in ornate carving and is dedicated to Surya, the sun god. Architecture enthusiasts who will note that this temple is emblematic of Kalinga architecture. Other famous temples of Orissa are Lingaraj Temple, Jagannath Temple and more. These are the some images of Shirdi Temple taken by me during our visit in 2019.
Good morning, myself Archit Chaltari. Good morning, myself Archit Chaltari from class 10. This is my English art education project. Today I am going to share some information on wildlife sanctuaries of Maharashtra and Odisha. Now let's talk about Maharashtra. Tadoba Tiger Reserve. It is situated in the Chandrapur district of Maharashtra. It is Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park. The reserve consists of 577.96 square kilometer of reserve forest and 32.51 square kilometer of protected forest. There are about 80 tigers in the reserve. Apart from the tiger, the reserve is home to Indian leopards, samba, sloth bear, striped hyena. Reptiles here include the endangered Indian python and the common Indian monitor. There are 195 species of birds and 74 species of butterflies have been recorded. During winter, the temperatures are 25 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius range and the park is lush green. During summers, the temperature rises to 47 degrees Celsius. The monsoon begins in June. The area receives heavy rainfall and humidity hovers around 66%. Now let's talk about Odisha. Debrigad Wildlife Sanctuary. The Debrigad Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Bargarh district, covering a total area of 346.91 square kilometers. It is situated near the city of Sambalpur Sirapur Dam. It is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. Over 40 species of mammals, 200 species of birds, 40 species of reptiles, 12 species of amphibians, 42 species of fishes, 85 species of butterflies, and 38 species of spiders have been found in the sanctuary. It is also home to over 250 species of plants. Many
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Bhavi Jangid from class 10D. My topic is agriculture in India. Agriculture is art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops, and raising livestock. Include the preparation of plants and animals, products for people to use, their distribution to market. Agriculture provides most of the world's food and fabric. It is frequent that it is so frequent that the same person can perform both activity, primary and secondary. Primary like of growing plant, and secondary like feeding the plants to livestock. That these industries are grouped together in agriculture. Agriculture in India. Agriculture is undoubtedly the backbone of our nation. In India, around 58% of peoples are dependent on agriculture. India, which is second largest producer of agriculture after China, product in world produces more than 280 million tons, contributing the more than 15% of India's GDP. Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, a term coined by the former Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri, hold value and relevance for thousands of years to come. While a soldier at our nation's border protect our country from enemies, farmer of India feed the country each and every day. And it is very important. Point of agriculture, agriculture in India. Agriculture contribute more than 15% of India's capacity, provided employment to millions of people in country. Agriculture form over more than 70% of India's export capacity. Agriculture leads to deforestation and add the views of global warming issue. Problem that agriculture in India faces usually by farmers. First is unpredictable climatic condition. Nowadays we have lots of machineries to detect rainfall and sunrises, temperature, but sometimes they gone wrong, and it increases the crop failure. Second one is lack of support. India has a higher rate of suicide rate in the world. There is an average of 10 farmer suicide in the country every day because they are not able to pay their loan to landlords and banks. Third one is lack of awareness. The support of government which is not provided by the Indian government to farmers. Countries like USA and China use their data analysis and machineries in agriculture most, but it is not like in most in India. Lack of machinery, as I said. Measures to improve agriculture in India by financial support. The government can start with the giving of loan a farmer and influence into sector so that farmers bounce back on their feet and rise up, and it should be done by government. Minimum support price. Next, thank you, ma'am.